In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to elevate your Tableau design by creating shadowed rounded boxes. Whether you're preparing data visualizations for a presentation or enhancing your reports, learning to add shadowing can make your designs more visually appealing and engaging. To get started, open the Tableau public app on your computer. Once the app is launched, access your worksheet where you'll apply these enhancements. The first step is crucial and sets the foundation for what we'll be doing. You'll want to click the drop-down arrow within your worksheet, where you'll find the option to create a new calculated field. Now let's make this new field. You'll name it whatever suits your project best, and then input your required query. After this, simply hit OK to create the calculated field. Next, drag this newly created calculated field over to the text area within your worksheet. This action will set it up for later customization. Once you have it in place, go ahead and click on the tooltip to erase any text that you don't need. This helps in keeping things neat and ensures we're only focusing on the design elements we want to highlight. Following this, right-click on your box and select the Annotate option, then choose Area. This action begins the design transformation. Now switch your view from Standard to Entire View. This step is particularly important because it lets you see the full extent of your modifications, providing a clear, comprehensive perspective of the entire visualization space. Next, right-click again and choose Format. From here, you can change the shading to suit your aesthetic preferences or the theme of your data visualization. For the next enhancement, add a border to your box, then adjust the corners to be more rounded. This step starts to really bring out the style of the shadowed boxes. You'll notice the difference rounding the corners makes to the entire look, offering a softer, more polished appearance. After that, move to the center of your worksheet and right-click in an area that isn't part of any box. Select Annotate and then choose Area once again and confirm your action by clicking OK. As before, right-click chosen areas, select Format, and alter the shading of your selection. Don't forget to add a border and make the corners more rounded for your new selection, matching it to the first box. The aim here is consistency and clean, professional design. Finally, drag this second box over the first box to create the desired shadow effect. You might need to tweak the shading or transparency to get the shadow looking just right. This effect not only adds depth but brings a touch of modern sleekness to your Tableau creations. If you wish to experiment further, you can repeat the process to create smaller boxes with shadows, giving you a range of options in your design toolkit. With these steps, your Tableau visualizations will stand out, impressing viewers with both style and substance.